Hey everyone, it's Justin here, co-founder of Tech Journey. If you're looking for easy money, this is not the video for you. However, if you have interest in a professional career that brings purpose, does not necessarily require a college degree or experience, then keep watching. Now you may be asking the question, why am I making a video telling you about this? It's because both my wife and I believe in this industry so much that we publicized our entire journey from the time we decided to pursue a job to us landing one, and we'll continue to publicize the progression of our career. My wife has an earning potential of 6 figures in just her first year with the base salary of more than any amount she's made on any job. Most people misinterpret really what tech sales truly is. Follow our channel and ask us any questions along the way. Enjoy the journey.